what's interesting with climate is that the amount of capital needed is significantly more than any other business you probably have seen. The framework for investing has always been tech, right? So tech, 6, 7-figure checks might go to 7, 8-figure checks, might go to like 9-figure checks. But when you go look at climate, you just multiply everything by like another 1,000. So there's just a different range. Instead of millions, you're looking at billions and trillions, and those numbers might be shocking to people. My whole journey started from the pandemic. I read Bill Gates' book on climate, and when I put the book down, I took away two things. The two things were, I'm going to suffer, and the governments and the billionaires don't got this. And so I was like, all right, if I'm going to die, I want to at least try to help the situation. And that's where it all started.
So most investment is focused on monopolies, like how can I have a great business that is uniquely protected on all fronts and doesn't share with other companies, right? So their products make it cheaper. Think AWS and software, right? Like how can we build the AWS for ClimateTech? So we invest in this very low layer or high in the supply chain, depending on your orientation, type businesses, such that the next generation of businesses will have to spend less to build their business, so on and so forth. We think if we do that well, we can actually create some of the dynamics that exist within Silicon Valley today. So it might look like investing in software in 10 years, which we're very hopeful occurs.
We provide structured capital solution emphasizing a credit type of investment into climate companies, usually Series B and beyond, where we believe there is a big financial capital gap. There are a lot of people who kind of write in venture chat, obviously a huge middle market for more like EBITDA positive businesses and more mature businesses, but there is a gap where companies really need to scale, and that's where we sit in. We'll get into the cash flow positive, and I will have my little exit here and do 2 times my money, and I will be happy. And I don't need to be sold on the J curve of the profit. But today we're doing only million, but tomorrow it will be big, and it will be all done with no cost. So I think credit is a growing asset class in climate for exactly those reasons. So yeah, that's why we're doing credit.